So look, just because you have a 1938 coin does not mean that your coin is going to be worth $33,600 like the coin in this video. But if your coin has everything I talk about in this video, then there's a chance that your coin is going to be worth a whole lot more money than just 5 cents. It's important to know that 1938 was the first year they ever minted the Jefferson nickel coins at the United States Mint. I'm going to throw up a few examples of coin lots that recently sold on eBay. You can see this first lot of 3 coins sold for $12.50, and this lot of coins sold for about $15. The reality is there's a lot of things that go into making a coin like this one that you see on your screen now worth $33,600. The cool thing is these coins are still being found out there in collections. Again, I'm not going to lie to you and tell you that you could find this coin in your pocket change, but you could find coins that are worth a lot more than their face value. Even if your coin is worth a few thousand or a few $100s, that's still worth a lot more than 5 cents. So without wasting any more time, why did this coin sell for $33,600? So let's break this coin down. So first of all, when you're looking at this coin, the first thing you're going to notice is the toning on the coin. Toning is essentially the color of the coin. You can see this coin has a rainbow or yellowish hue to the entire coin there. Now that toning can happen from where the coin was stored. You'll have the air oxidizing with the metals in the coin, causing it to change colors. It's important to know that toning can either positively or negatively affect the value of your coin. Another thing to take into consideration is toning really only matters on uncirculated mint state coins. By that, I mean coins that never went out into circulation. By circulation, I mean pocket change, cash registers, things like that. Last thing I'll say about toning is there are people out there that will chemically alter their coin on purpose to try to make it appear like some crazy toning happened on their coin. This is called artificial toning, and it is frowned upon in the coin collecting community. Grading companies will pretty much reject the coin or they will not grade it. What you really need to know about toning is hopefully it's naturally toned. If you're going to buy a coin online, be very careful if you're buying any toned coin, especially on eBay, because there are people out there artificially toning coins. Next, this coin graded by PCGS, a mint state 68 plus. It's so important to know that the highest grade we can get in grading is 70. This one's only 2 points away and it has a plus designation after the grade. It seems a bit silly, but that plus sign after the grade will dramatically increase the value of the coin. Next, this has the full steps on the back. If you flip the coin over and look above Monticello there, you will see full steps. Those full steps are the highest point on the coin and they are some of the hardest areas to strike. Full steps only really matter when it comes to coins that are uncirculated. If you have a 1938 coin, you want to be checking if it has a D mint mark. The D mint mark is going to be located on the back right-hand side of the coin. That D mint mark stands for the Denver Mint where this coin was minted. Most coins are either minted at the Denver Mint, the Philadelphia Mint, or the San Francisco Mint. A lot of the time, Philadelphia minted coins will simply not have a mint mark, or they will have a P mint mark in some instances. All these things combined allowed this coin to sell for $33,600. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy the one on the screen.